Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Letitia McKinney. Well, hello, friends, and thank you so much for tuning back in with me, Letitia McKinney. Okay, so I hope everybody is doing fantastic. Now, today what I am doing, I want to show you guys our summer tablescape. I'm so excited. It's summer because I love yellow and pink during the summer, and I don't mind mixing up like green with, with some bling and stuff like that. You guys already know that about me. And this little baby here, I got this from our local thrift store, and I think it is absolutely cute. Plus, I got this little bling right here, this little brooch. I got that from Michael's, and I think it's absolutely cute together. It's not too over the top. It merges in very, very beautiful. So I want to let you guys just look and see everything that I placed together on our tablescape. So let's get started. Now, when it comes down to like the wine goblets and things like that, I do not use glass. I use anything like plastic or whatever because we still have a 9-year-old that's here, and so he's pretty cautious. However, I don't use the wine goblets. I do not want to use glass for that, but I use this one, and it is so safe to use. I love this. I got it from Home Goods. And what I do, instead of using like a coaster, I use a candle holder that I have picked up right here from Hobby Lobby, and I only got it for $6.99, and it was for the 50% off week. And I think it's so cute adding to this. It makes it look even more glamorous. Okay, now friends, now you know I have a thing for napkins, and these are so beautiful. Look at this blush pink and also this neutral color that has a little glitz to it. It's so beautiful, and I kept the napkin ring that I had in this tutorial right here. So this is so absolutely beautiful together. So for my cute little jar here, this is what I did. I placed in some cute little penny flowers, which I think are so cute. Instead of using candy, this is what I decided to do. It's so beautiful, just like this. And so this is the overall look of everything. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You guys have a blessed and beautiful week. And I will see you guys in the next one. Blessings. Bye-bye.